Hey everybody, my name is Derek from Battleborn Batteries. Today we are here to unbox our BB GC3 heated battery. As you can tell, this battery is plenty bigger than our smaller 100 amp hour batteries, and we're here to show you some of the extra protections that we take to get this battery to you. Step number one, we are required to ship this on a pallet. So with that, we make sure that this is going to get dropped off on your doorstep. They're going to organize the drop-off time and bring a lift gate in order to get it to you. Shipping is still free anywhere in the lower 48. So let's get this thing opened up and show you a little bit inside. Alright, and just a little bit to note, we still have our double-walled cardboard, and in order to leave an extra line of protection, our padding, we still do use our battery conformed padding and make sure it's nice and snug in there so no shaking and rattling while it's in transit. Each battery does come with its own QR code to give you the manual, install information, and that good stuff to look at. Right. Our bolts with each battery is good to get some nice tight connections on there. Our BB GC3 heated, our proprietary form factor, you can mount this any which way you like. So here, stack it across. As you can see on our terminals, we do have some protections as well. As you can see on this, we still have our flag terminals. There are 3 different connections where you can get different chargers and stuff coming in on this side. We also have our heat enabled right here for our cold weather users in order to keep that battery warm enough to accept a charge above 24 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, each one of the GC3 batteries does come with removable feet. This is going to be great for getting tight connections to get everything nice and strapped down. We also have mounting kits in order to get even tighter connections. These can be taken off. No damage to the battery. We're just giving you an extra feature with the battery. As you can see on each battery, we do have all of our safety standards. We send this out to a third party for rigorous testings just so they can make sure that our battery is up to the top standards. And just like the rest of our batteries, this battery can be connected up to 48 volt in series. And as far as parallel connections, as many as you like there. If you have any other questions about our BB GC3 heated battery, please reach out and let us know.